Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start with essentials. Make sure both buds have at least 30% charge or place them in the case to top up. Once done, power each bud off. You need LEDs dark to begin a reset. Now, locate the multifunction buttons on each bud. These control pairing and resets. Press and hold is the first actionable step. Hold the buttons simultaneously so the process can register. This prepares the internal memory for a factory reset and clears pairing info. You now perform the reset. Press and hold both multifunction buttons at the same time for about 10 seconds. While holding, watch the LED behavior. An alternating or rapid blink indicates the reset command registered. Once the LEDs change pattern or briefly go solid, release both buttons. The buds should power cycle automatically. After release, you may see a brief pairing flash. This means internal settings were wiped, and the product is ready to re-establish fresh connections with your device. You finish by repairing. Enable Bluetooth on your phone and remove any old JBL Endurance Peak entry to avoid conflicts. Then, choose the Endurance Peak from the available devices list. Pairing should complete, and the buds will confirm with a tone or LED. If pairing fails, make sure both buds have charge, then repeat the reset. One key troubleshooting tip: if the LEDs never change, hold for an extra 5–10 seconds or restart your phone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.